YouTube, we're back. The moment you've been waiting for, a Timberland cleaning. Yes, I know winter's fastly approaching, so we wanted to bring you the Timberland cleaning of the year. We're gonna go ahead and clean these up. I don't know whose these are. Do I know? There's someone here at this office. We bought them on eBay, so whoever owned these before, thank you for supplying us with them. We're gonna go ahead and we'll just clean the right shoe, I'm guessing. Or should we clean the left shoe? There's like a little blood stain. Which one are you thinking? Prefer the right? It's dirtier. Okay, we can clean the right shoe, no problem, I don't care. It's gonna clean up so nice, it doesn't matter. So today we'll be using our 4-ounce 3-brush set, our brass brush, so we can reset the nap, mink oil, and a towel in a bowl. That's gonna be it. We'll make these things look as good as new. You know what we should use? A shoe tree. So I'm gonna go get one of those. I'll be right back and we'll start this cleaning. Give me a shoe tree. Pretty good. That was pretty good, I must admit. Nice throw. So we're just gonna put this in. What size are these damn things? There we go. That's gonna make much of a difference, but we got people on our roof. All right, so what we're gonna do, take this towel, lay it down right here, and go to town. I'm not even gonna use the soft bristle brush, get that out of here. We're just gonna go straight for the medium bristle. There's no sense in using the soft bristle there. Set this stuff aside. There we go. All right, let's do it. Medium bristle brush on some wheat Timbs. As I mentioned though, this should be a very easy clean. The longest process in this is gonna be letting them dry. But once they dry, we'll make them dry brush and make them look good. You do want to make sure you clean the entire shoe. You don't want to leave a dry spot like that or just clean the toe box because it will show discolor. So anytime you're cleaning a Tim or a lighter colored suede or nubuck like that, just make sure you clean the entire shoe evenly. Let's go ahead and wipe these bad boys down. And really all I'm doing this for is so I can see the material and see if there's any other dirt stains that I missed. A couple spots on this heel I'm gonna go ahead and hit one more time. We created one hell of a mess, but what we're gonna do now is go ahead and let these dry. I'll probably put these outside. It's a pretty nice day, so they should dry in the next couple hours, and then we'll come back and finish this cleaning. See you in a few. Well, now that these things have dried, I just laced them up. I started brushing them. I tried the brass brush first, but I didn't like the way it was affecting the material, so I just went ahead and took the all-purpose or medium bristle brush, and I went ahead and started the dry brush process. These are really easy to do this to. Tim's clean up super nice. They use obviously a really good material on them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dry brush these, finish them up. We'll take some shots and you guys can see the side-by-side comparison, but as you can see right there, they look pretty good. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we are offering a discount code for our cleanings now. So go ahead and use, what should we use? 10 off YT. 10 off YT. That is the 10% code. Use it now, save some money. Christmas is quickly approaching. Get yourself or get somebody else a nice gift. Clean shoes are always nice to have. So that's gonna be this. Shoot some B-roll. See you next time.